The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Isabela in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. The province of Isabela has the city of Ilagan as its provincial capital or provincial center. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. It is composed of 3 cities, 34 municipalities, and 1,055 barangays. It was founded on May 1, 1856. The total land area is 13,102.05 kilometers squared or 5,058.73 square miles. The province of Isabela is bordered clockwise from the north by Cagayan, Philippine Sea, Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Ifugao, Mountain Province, and Kalinga. Here are the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Isabela in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. The municipality of Alicia with 34 barangays, Municipality of Angadanan with 59 barangays, Municipality of Aurora with 33 barangays, Municipality of Benito Soliven with 29 barangays, Municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays, Municipality of Cabagan with 26 barangays, Municipality of Cabatuan with 22 barangays, and the component city, Cagayan City, with 65 barangays. The municipality of Cordon with 26 barangays, municipality of Delfin Albano with 29 barangays, municipality of Dinapigi with 6 barangays, municipality of Divicalan with 12 barangays, Municipality of Itiague with 64 barangays, Municipality of Gamu with 16 barangays, the capital city or the provincial center, Ilagan City with 91 barangays, the Municipality of Jones with 42 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Luna with 19 barangays, Municipality of Makunakon with 10 barangays, Municipality of Malyig with 18 barangays, Municipality of Nagilian with 25 barangays, Municipality of Palanan with 17 barangays, Municipality of Quezon with 15 barangays, Municipality of Quirino with 21 barangays, and the Municipality of Ramon with 19 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Reina Mercedes with 20 barangays, Municipality of Rojas with 26 barangays, Municipality of San Agustin with 23 barangays, Municipality of San Guillermo with 26 barangays, Municipality of San Isidro with 13 barangays, Municipality of San Manuel with 19 barangays, Municipality of San Mariano with 36 barangays, and the Municipality of San Mateo with 33 barangays. We also have the Municipality of San Pablo with 17 barangays, Municipality of Santa Maria with 20 barangays, the component city, Santiago City with 37 barangays, the Municipality of Santo Tomas with 27 barangays, and the Municipality of Tumawini with 46 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Isabela in Region 2 or Cagayan Valley region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.